Okay, currently in my shop I have 43 individual light bulbs. They are T8 ballast old fixtures that I've picked up over the years. All of them have been converted to newer ballasts. Either previous before I got them, or when I got them I changed them over. So what I'm going to do today, all of them are used T8 bulbs that came out of different places. A buddy of mine gave me some out of the old dealership. What I'm going to do is convert them over to LED conversions, and we're going to take an amp draw on these bulbs beforehand, and then after they're all switched out we'll take a final amp draw after, just to see what our load is going to drop on our electric panel. So without further ado, we'll move forward. Alright, so what we have here is Utilitech LED 2 bulb replacement box. This one is a 32 watt replacement to 18 watt. It's a 4000K brightness. 2 in a package. They were on sale at Lowe's. I got them basically for $6, $7 a box, so literally like $3.50 a bulb. They had another box that was a 32 count box, and it was cheaper than that. So each individual bulb came to about $2.75. The part number on this is a 077814. So that's what we're going to be changing all of these light bulbs out to, and see what the amp draw is. Here we are at my breaker panel. It's open, it's live. I have all my lights on right now. I have half of them on one switch, half on another. So the total load is on right now, and what we're going to do is throw an amp clamp on that circuit. And right now my current amp draw on the lights, just the light fixtures in the shop, is about 8.3 amps. So I don't know if you could see that. Let me try and zoom in on this thing and get it in here. So 8.2, 8.3 is the amp draw, and that is on all 43 lamp fixtures, or 43 lamp bulbs total. We're going to change all of them out and see what it drops to. Okay, to reiterate again, these are fluorescent 4-foot bulbs that are going to change out to LEDs. These are conversion, or not a conversion bulb, but they are a direct replacement bulb. So there's no need to rewire the ballast in the actual lamp fixture itself. Some LED bulbs are now you're required to rewire the lamp fixture so that it's 120 volts directly to the bulb. These are not. These are just straight drop-ins, and I'm pretty sure that's why Lowe's is selling them cheap. Well, that's where I got them at least. I think the industry is just going to get rid of the replacements, and you're going to see more just wired LED bulbs. So that's it. Simple swap out. It's definitely a lot brighter right off the bat. Let's see how much of a difference it makes total. Okay, so it's hard to tell on the camera, but I've got these bulbs swapped out in the rear fixture. The one to the left now is still the T8 bulb, and this one got swapped out to an LED. So you can see the reflection on the wall, that there's quite a difference in the brightness. It's hard to pick up on the camera just looking at the actual lamps themselves, but the one on the left is an LED, the one in the center is a T8, and the far right is an LED. So we got all the lights changed. Rick stopped by here to film the wrap up, and it's a year later, and we're just going to check out the amp draw after replacing all 43 bulbs, and we have 6.5 amps. So quick math on it is about 21% drop in power usage by just replacing bulbs themselves. So worth it, I guess. I mean, if you're looking to replace just bulbs and not have to do all the ballast work, these are a great drop-in replacement, and it's going to cost you less on the electricity. So that being said, it was worth it. Got rid of all my crappy old bulbs that were just hand-me-downs and free. Plus the garage is a lot brighter, and that's about it. So enjoy the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll check you later.